Light. We receive white light from natural and man-made sources, such as the sun, a light bulb, a candle, which are all sources of direct light, and the moon, which is a source of indirect light. White light contains all the other colors we see. If we think of a cake, it is made with flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and vanilla. This is similar to white light. It is created when red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet light is combined.
Light travels in waves like on an ocean or a lake. Each color has its own wavelength and frequency. The wavelength is measured when you look at the one crest to the distance to the next crest. Red light has the longest wavelength, and violet light has the shortest. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet combine to make the visible light spectrum. Violet is the shortest of the visible light, but ultraviolet light has an even shorter wavelength. Ultraviolet light is commonly used in suntanning beds, detecting forged banknotes, hardening dental fillings, as well as black lights.
When we see an orange, we are actually only seeing the orange wavelength bouncing back to our eye. All the other colors are being absorbed by the orange. Take a look at these grapes. What wavelength is being reflected back to our eye? The violet wavelength is being reflected back to our eye. All the other colors are being absorbed by the grapes.
We know how the colors of the light spectrum work when we see objects of color, but what about black and white objects? As we learned earlier, white light contains all of the visible light colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. That means, looking at a white object, all of the colors are reflecting back to our eye.
The opposite happens when we see black objects. Black is the absence of color reaching our eye. All of the wavelengths are being absorbed.
White objects reflect all colors back to the eye. Black objects absorb all colors. Think about wearing a white t-shirt on a clear summer day versus a black t-shirt on the same day. Which do you think would make you hotter?
Give it a try.